students, how are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn safety first. Basically, we will be discussing question and answers from the chapter. MCQs match the following answer in one sentences, that is short answers, and long answers will be discussed in this session. So, let us immediately start. The first question is tick the correct answer. The first question is, to avoid tripping over scattered toys, the options are: do not leave your toys lying on the floor, leave your toys on the floor, leave your toys inside the kitchen. So what should be the correct answer? The correct answer should be do not leave your toys lying on the floor, because when you keep your toys on the floor, lying on the floor, what happens? Someone might trip, someone might slip on the floor. Let us see next question. One must not wear these clothes in the kitchen: cotton, synthetic, woolen. So what type should not be worn in the kitchen? The answer is synthetic clothes, because they can easily catch fire. So we should not wear such type of clothes in the kitchen. Third question. Stay away from table fans, rides, toys. So what should be the correct answer? The correct answer is table fans. Why we should stay away from table fans? Because these are the electric instruments, can be hazardous sometimes. Someone might get shocked, someone's hand might get inside it and he may get injury. So we should avoid getting near the table fans. Fourth question. Apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream on affected part if the options are bitten by an insect, a bone is broken, someone gets a cut. The correct answer for this is bitten by an insect. So when person is bitten by an insect, a baking soda and cold cream applying over it gives him a temporary relief. Fifth question. To reach for something placed high, use a rope, ladder or stick. The better option is ladder. We should always use ladder if we want to take something which is placed high. Match the following. Now in column A there are floor, electrical appliances, use a swimming tube, and antiseptic lotion for burns. In column B the options are: apply an antiseptic cream on affected area, must be kept dry to prevent slipping on them, should be handled carefully if you are not an expert swimmer, and must be used to clean cuts. So now let us match these options and these are the answers. Well, the floors matches with must be kept dry to prevent slipping on them. It should be kept dry, otherwise person might slip on them. So the correct match for floor is B. Then electrical appliances should be handled carefully, right? Isn't it true? We should handle electrical appliances carefully because it might give you a shock and there might be a serious injury. So 2 matches with C. Then using a swimming tube. If you are not an expert swimmer, obviously we have to use a swimming tube. So 3 matches with D. Then an antiseptic lotion must be used to clean cuts, because that will make you safe from all kind of infections. So 4 matches with E. And then for burns, apply an antiseptic cream on affected area. We should apply antiseptic cream so that we get a relief from the burns. Now let us see next question. Short answers. When do accidents happen in school? Well, the answer to this question is: in school accidents can happen when children run and push each other. So when children are playing with each other, when they are running or pushing each other, there might be accidents. Let us see next question. What precautions should you take to avoid accidental consumption of poisonous chemicals? So if in case someone consumes poisonous chemicals, what are the precautions that he should take? Well, poisoning chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from the eatables to avoid accidental consumption of poisonous chemicals. So that's how we can avoid the accidental consumption of poisonous chemicals. Okay, so it should be properly labeled and it should be kept away from the eatables. Third question, what is first aid? First aid is the first medical help given to an injured or a sick person before proper medical aid arrives. So before doctor arrives or before taking him to the hospital, whatever emergent help that we give him, that is called as a first aid. Fourth question, write about two common emergencies where you need first aid. So you have to write down any two common emergencies. So what can it be? It can be a minor cut, it can be fainting, it can be insect bite, it can be snake bite, or it can also be a burn. So any two you can mention. Then comes the long answers. What precautions should you take to avoid accidents at school? Well, what are the precautions that we can take? The answer can be, in schools accidents can happen when children run and push each other. We can avoid such accident by following rules. Students should not rush up and down the stairs, should not climb on desk and chair or throw things around. Then second question, as a pedestrian, what will you do to avoid getting hurt on the road? Following traffic rules for your own safety and safety of others. Carelessness on the road can cause accidents. To avoid such accident, one must walk on the footpath and cross the road only at zebra crossing. You should look to your right, then to your left, and again you have to look to the right, and then only you should cross the road. Okay, so these are the few precautions that a pedestrian can take to avoid getting hurt on the road. Okay, one more point you can mention, cross the road when traffic stops. Okay, so this point should also be mentioned, cross the road when traffic stops. One should not rush, and to avoid rush, start out in time. Okay, so these are a couple of points that I was about to miss, but you have to mention them. Cross the road when traffic stops, and one should not rush. To avoid rush, what should we do? We should start out in time. We should start our journey on time, or at least before time you can do it. Okay, so that you can avoid rush. So how will you help a person who has a bleeding wound? Well, you can write, in case of minor wounds, we should first wash the cut with the water, then apply antiseptic lotion over it. If there is a bleeding from the cut, apply bandage over it. Dirt and flies should not be allowed to sit on the wound. Okay, if you allow dirt and flies to sit on your wound, then it may cause infection. Okay, consult doctor immediately so that he can give you a proper medication. Fourth question, how will you help a person who has fainted? Well, if person faints, make him lie down with his head at the level lower than the body. This helps the blood to reach the brain faster. Allow fresh air around the person, loosen his clothes and sprinkle cold water over his head, and let the person rest quietly. Okay, then you can send him to doctor for further medical help. Okay, I hope this answers your question. Let us see next question. How will you help a person who has been bitten by an insect? Well, you can write, insect bites or stings are painful. If bitten by an insect like a bee or a wasp, apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected part to give relief. Put some ice on the affected part so that he gets some relief out of the coldness. Okay, so those were the questions and the answers. I hope it will be helpful to you. As assignment, you can write down this question and answers in your notebook. It will be beneficial during exams also. Well, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.